There's a coastal tourist here in Bangkok, Thailand. We're on Soi Nam Tip Song, Soi Nam Tip 2. We're going to check out the Quartz residence. We might go here for a quick month. Instead of my hotel, I've been staying in forever. They have quite a nice deal over here. Got another $100 extra and get a nice room. 1 bedroom. Check it out. Alright, here we go. Hello. Here's the inside. Just waiting for someone to come out to talk to. Let's see what they got over here. Got 54 units, looks like. There's stairs. Well, how do you get out? I guess it's always open. If not, you have to press the button to get out. That might be an issue on Shabbat, but we'll figure it out. I want to see on the door. Might disturb the neighbors. Alright, here we go on the 6th floor. They don't have AirBnB now, but I just want to see what a unit looks like. All dark. Okay, so this is looks like a 1 bedroom. Nice bed. Comfy. Not much noise. Nice view. Check out the bathroom. Closets. Iron board. Oh, nice. Has a bathtub and a shower. Just like the pictures. Very nice. Oh, it's a washer and a dryer. Nice. Little balcony, you probably can't go out. Maybe you could. It's a little dark. I guess at night maybe the lights come on. Well, it's not a bad unit. It's quite nice. Very new. I think it's only a couple of years old. It's mainly long-term contracts, but they do have some Airbnbs. We'll go check out the pool now. Okay, here we go. There's the pool area, and then we'll check out the fitness in just a second. Very nice. I don't usually do pools, but why not? It's actually a nice day today. Infinity is type of pool, 1.3 meters. Very nice view, very nice. Swimming pool is chlorine levels, very nice. No smoking. Take a shower before entering. Not sure what that is. I have the fitness room over here. Oh, you gotta really open the door to get in. Look up. It's not bad. 2 treadmills, an elliptical, a bicycle, a bench to do workouts on, dumbbells, and some couple machines over here, and a bowl. There's I guess those are the heaters, hot water heaters, and that's about it. It's about a wrap. And you can check out people in the pool as you work out. But whatever, it's nice view. I would do this. Okay, that's pretty much a wrap for the Quartz. Oh, look at that, there's a tennis court. We'll see you later. Cheers.